Hello there again. This is VNfatBIKER. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Please subscribe, okay? Click the bell icon to continue to receive all VNfatBIKER videos, travel tips, and tech gadgets tutorial. Today, we're going to unbox and make a glimpse of tech review for the latest mobile phone, smartphone, Kailan po Direct, nalito ako sa'yo. Nagpawis na ako sa'yo, Direct. Ito bang i-review natin is talagang i-review natin to? Itong Oppo A9 is pang 2020 pa to I thought January pa natin i-review. Ngayon na mismo? Now, dito? Kay VNfatBIKER, i-review na natin to.
Shall we begin? Let's begin now.
Welcome back. That's what I promised. VNfatBIKER here, and we're going to unbox this Oppo A9 2020 model. Okay, just like what I told you a while ago. Don't buy this. Why? You know why? Finish and watch out on the last part of the video. I will tell you, you should not buy this. Okay, so now let's start opening this up. What's inside? What's the basic spec? Okay, about this Oppo A9. Okay, basically, we bought this a couple of days ago as requested by some of my one of my subscriber asking me, Boss VNfatBIKER, pa-review naman ng Oppo A9, and this is it. Okay, Oppo A9 2020. Okay, so let's open it up and check the basic spec. Okay, and then let's see what's the mystery. I'm telling you, you should not buy this. Okay, so let's open it up. Okay, I'll try to open it up. Wait. Okay, I tried to open, unbox or cut the plastic using a sharp tools, but I'm starting to not to show those sharp tools or knife in doing an unbox to support the drive of the YouTube. Do not show any knives or any sharp tools that might use by some children's viewer. Okay, so okay, let's just use our hands. Okay, see. As you can see, mga kabayan, okay, all sealed. These are the A9, okay, this is the A9 Oppo 2020. Using or checking all the backs, okay, checking all the backs. So, almost same packaging like the iPhone, okay, very colorful. There's an embossed labeling of the Oppo brand and the model. The box itself, malinaw po yung pagkaka-print ng cellphone photo. Okay? At the back, you can see all the manufacturing side of the Oppo and some of the basic spec of Oppo A9 2020. Okay? Let's open it up. Ang hirap. Yeah. Okay, first, there's the box. Oppo A9. You'll have a small box inside. Okay. Check this out. Okay, check this out. Okay, you should know this. Okay, inside the Oppo A9 box, you'll find the panundot. Okay, sa Filipino term, panundot. Okay, it's a pin. Okay, there's the pin for the SIM card. Okay, there's some operation manual, technical manuals of the Oppo A9, and oops, some warranty card. Kabayan, ang init ang init, nagpapawisan po ako. Okay, ang init, ang aking kalboy nagpapawisan. At there is a free silicone, okay, there's a free silicone cover, cellphone cover for the Oppo A9, so no need to buy outside. original na po ito. Okay? So that's the content of this particular box. Okay? And there you go. This is the Oppo A9. Still in plastic. Okay? Mga kabayan? This model is the, what color is this? Purple. Okay, this is the purple version of the A9. Okay, let's try to remove the plastic now. Okay, and we will power up this one. Okay, buhayin po natin. Okay, this is the Oppo A9. As you can see, purple. So pag tinatamaan po siya ng ilaw o direct sunlight, para bang nag-change ang color niya. Okay? This is it. Okay? So this is the Oppo A9. Okay? There are the cameras at the back. There's a front camera also in front. Okay, we'll power it up later. Okay. So next is the other thing is, as you can see, you will have the USB charger, the charger for charging adapter, and there is a free ear or headset. Headset. So mga kabayan, okay, this is the Oppo A9 2020 series. Okay, this is the version of the purple. Okay, purple version. I think there's another one, the black. I saw the black one already, but I took the purple version. Okay, I think it's more on unisex. It's more a unisex approach to me. Okay, so basically, the basic feature of this one is this A9 2020 is it has 48 megapixel ultra wide, okay, camera. Ito po yung sa likod, okay, 48 megapixel. Grabe. Pang to, pang astigan, pang bonggahang selfie, video, vloggings. Malapit po talaga to. And actually it's called quad camera. So mga kabayan, quad camera, 48 megapixel for this Oppo A9. Isipin nyo kung gaano kalakas ang camera na yun. Okay, magsawa po kayo, magsawa po tayo kasi selfie. Okay, ganun ka-astig ang camera po nito. Okay, the next is, how about the memory? How about the memory? Okay, ito lang naman ay mayroon siyang 8 gig RAM. Okay? 8 gig RAM of memory. And 128 gig internal. Okay? Memory. Ilang picture, ilang video po yun. Sobrang dami. Yung kaninang laptop kung nakita nyo, the MacBook, 4 gig lang yun. 4 gig RAM. Ito, 8 gig RAM memory. Isipin nyo, sobrang bonggang spec po yun. Yan pang Oppo A9. Okay? And then, katanungan iba, paano mo madali malobat? Nope. Ito po ay merong 5,000 mAh. Okay? So, 5,000 mAh sa mga hindi nakakala about technicalities about batteries. The more mAh, the better, the longer hours that you can use your phone. This is 5,000 mAh. Okay, one of the state-of-the-art spec as of now. Normally, other phones, smartphones, they're just around 3,500 mAh or to average 4,000 mAh. Okay, that's the battery. The battery is also powerful po, mga kabayan. Okay, and one more. Hindi po ibig sabihin na cellphone lang to, hindi natin maka-jumps. Okay, what do you mean by jumps? Sounds, okay? Naka-Dolby na rin po ito, okay? Naka-dual speakers. dual speakers na rin po ito, okay? Dolby sounds, okay? So yung nakakaalam ng mga Dolby 5.1, okay? So this is Dolby sounds already. This is a very powerful also in terms of sounds, okay? For those who love music, okay? Those who love to jam using your phone, ito po, malupit po ito, Oppo A9, okay? So I'm explaining this to you based on my experience as a technical person reviewing technical gadgets or tech gadgets. Yung nasabi po natin na mga spec nito, okay? Yung camera, ito, yung camera, yung RAM, okay? The battery life, and the speaker. So ito po, nandito po lahat. Basahin nyo lang ulit kung na-miss nyo yung sinabi ko na basic technical spec nitong Oppo A9. Okay? So ngayon, let's try to open it up, power up. How does it look like? Okay? Alam ko marami pa rin nagabang dyan. Why I keep telling, don't buy this. Few more minutes, you will find why. Okay? Okay, before we turn it up, okay. On the left side, okay, of the Oppo A9, the power button. Okay, let's see. Okay, it's rebooting, as you can see. Ta-da! Okay. Quite slow for me. Okay, there you go. Around 8 seconds to power on and to go to the menu. Okay, so I'm an Apple guy. So basically, if you turn on an Apple product, especially the smartphone of Apple, 5 or 6 seconds maybe, we'll go to the menu. Okay, so there you go. As you can see, the camera, the front camera, and the quad camera are here. Okay, you can see on the right side. Okay, right edge of the phone is the volume up, volume down. Okay, also the SIM card. Okay, you'll see the SIM card here. So may panundot na kanina kasama, the pin. Okay, where you can get and use it to insert your SIM card. Okay, and at the back, at the bottom side, bottom edge of the phone, you'll see a lot of holes probably. There is the place where you can hear those, they call it the Dolby sounds. Okay, the Dolby sounds. Okay, of course the power jack for your charging, and still using a standard headset jack at the bottom as well. Okay, so there you go. This is the basic and initial tech spec of this Oppo A9 2020 model. Okay, just to give you an update as well. So the cost of this was around around 5 to 16K in pesos. Okay, so now you should not buy this one. We reviewed the camera, really good. It's a thumbs up for me. 48 megapixel quad camera, thumbs up for me. The next, the RAM, 4 gig RAM, 128 gig internal memory, thumbs up also. Okay. Next, the third one is the battery. The battery is 5,000 milliamp heavy. Okay, thumbs up also. Okay, and the dual speaker also by Dolby is also thumbs up. Why I should not? So there you go. That's the basic insight of the Oppo A9 2020 model. Okay, but I know you still thinking, is VNfatBIKER crazy? This phone I got 4 thumbs up. 4 na thumbs up po sa kanyang basic spec. But why? I keep telling, don't buy this. Why? Okay. This is, I'm going to review. Don't buy this, okay? Again, don't buy this without this one. Okay. Be a smart, okay? Be a smart consumer, okay? If you buy this one, this is already free. Okay. Okay? Be careful. I went to 5 different outlets, 5 different stores of cell phone, looking for this, okay, in a different color, okay. As I observed, there's always a free, okay. There's always a free EV30 water drop design Bluetooth headphone, okay. So if you're going to buy this one, ask the store, where is the free Bluetooth headset? We'll try to open this one, okay? So if they told you, if you buy this, you need to buy this also. No, we got this free. I asked 5 different outlets. This is free, okay? I'll open this up. Okay guys, this is the free Bluetooth headset. So don't buy this without getting this one for free. Okay? Please always come out with this. Okay? There you go. Hope you like my new tech gadget review of this Oppo A9 2020 model series, and continue to support VNfatBIKER, and we're going to review a lot more tech gadgets soon.